Hello foodies, today's recipe is Bottlegourd Cutlets. Here is the best way to serve the Bottlegourd. This is also a perfect party appetizer. Take medium sized Bottlegourd, clean it and peel off the skin. Grate the Bottlegourd, take out the flesh. Take this flesh into mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 spoon chili powder, salt for taste. Add 1 cup semolina rava. Here I am taking parboiled rice rava. This is a gluten free. Add half cup chickpeaflour. Add crushed ajwain or powder. Then 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 spoon lemon juice, 1 spoon yogurt or curd to facilitate fermentation, 2 pinches of baking soda. Here you can add chopped coriander leaves also. Mix all the ingredients well. Make this like a bread dough. The consistency should be like a bread dough. Mixing it with hand will avoid the lumps in chickpea powder. Keep this batter aside for about 20 minutes. Take a baking mold. If you don't have, use idli maker. We are going to steam this batter, so the vessel should be steam feasible. Spread the dough or batter for about half an inch thickness. I'm adding chopped coriander leaves as a toppings. You can mix this while mixing the batter itself. Place the mold into steaming cooktop and steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the rava is cooked well. When the cooking is done, check the batter is cooked or not. Transfer this cake into a plate and cut it into square or rhombus shape as you like, or even into circular shapes. Take frying pan, add 3 spoons of oil, let it heat. Now add 2 spoons of sesame seeds. The oil should be on medium flame, so to avoid sesame seeds to burn. Transfer the cake pieces one by one into the pan. Let the pieces fry well on one side. When they turn golden color, flip them to the other side. Let the other side also be fried. It may take 2 to 3 minutes to fry this. Take out these cutlets, serve into a plate. You can serve the cutlets either with ketchup or your flavorful any other dipping sauce. With these cutlets, you can impress the guests. Please try the recipe and post a pic of it. Namaste. Thank you.